औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल करीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. So inshallah today we are going to learn some important word combinations. There are word combinations. If you know those combinations, the translation of Quran becomes very easy, no? It's easy to understand what is going on in the sentence. Okay, so the first combination is called qad plus madi. We know madi and mudare. If qad comes, qad, you know, qad means if it is just comes individually, it means indeed. But if qad comes with the madi, okay, then it makes the present perfect tense. Okay, like allama means he taught. If qad comes before allama, it means he taught. Mazi kareeb, he has taught, he has taught. Present perfect tense, mazi kareeb. Okay, qad plus mazi is mazi kareeb or present perfect tense. Qad allama means he has taught. The example is وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ بِبَدْرٍ. Wa and la. La means for sure. Qad nasara, he has helped. Kum, you all. Allah, Allah. So Allah is the marfu, so it is the outside door for nasara. Bi badrin, in badr. In badr. And for sure, Allah has helped you all in badr. Okay. Similarly, another example is قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Hassan, how you will translate قَدْ? If you translate word by word, قَدْ means indeed. أَفْلَحَ means أَفْلَحَ, he succeeded. أَفْلَحَ يُفْلِحُ إِفْلَاحَ. Al-Mu'minun, Hassan?
Those who believe.
The believers. So how you will translate?
Those who believe.
قَدْ plus Mavi.
Have succeeded.
Have succeeded. The believers have succeeded. Okay, so this is the example of qad plus mazi. Okay, next combination of words is kana plus mazi. Kana plus mazi. Kana means he was, but kana and mazi combination makes past perfect tense or mazi ba'id. Means if I say kana allama, here it was qad allama. If it is kana allama, it means he had taught. He had taught. Kana allama. He had taught. Past perfect tense. Mazi ba'id. So the example is وَلَقَدْ كَانُوا عَاهَدُوا اللَّهَ مِنْ قَبْلُ لَا يُوَلُّونَ الْأَدْبَارَ. وَأَمْنَال
And
La.
for
La.
sure,
For sure. Qad.
certainly,
Indeed, yes, certainly. Kanu. Kanu. Kana means he was. Kanu.
they were,
They were. Ahadu. Ahada, he promised. Ahadu,
they promised,
they promised. Allah,
Allah
min,
from
qabl, before. La,
not,
not. Yuwalluna. Walla, yuwalli. Yuwalluna. Walla means he turned away. Wallah, he turned away. Yuwalluna,
they turned away,
they turn away or they will turn away. It is mudari. Al-adbar, the backs. Dubar is back. Adbar, the backs is a broken plural. How can you combine, Minal? Hassan, can you combine? And for sure.
And for sure, indeed, they had
Promised.
They had promised Allah from before
That
they
will not
They will not
turn away
turn away
the
their
backs.
backs.
And for sure, certainly they had promised before with Allah that they will not turn their turn the backs. So this is the example of kana plus madi. So it becomes mazi baid or past perfect tense. Next example is kana plus mudari. This is used a lot in Quran. Kana plus mudari. So it becomes mazi istamrari. Istamrari means continuous, past perfect continuous tense. It becomes past perfect continuous tense. So like kana yu'allimu, and yu'allimu here is mudare, kana plus mudare combination. So kana yu'allimu means he had been teaching. Kana yu'allimu, he had been teaching. Okay, it is mazi istamrari. Or you can say he used to teach. He used to teach. That can also be used. So the example is ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّهُمْ كَانُوا يَكْفُرُونَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ. ذَلِكَ manal
That
bi
with
annahum anna means
that
hum
they
kanu kana he was kanu
they were
yakfuruna
the disbelievers.
no not disbeliever kafara he disbelieved kafara yakfuruna it is yakfuruna
They will disbelieve.
or they, if you make in present tense, will is future. What is the present tense? They disbelieve.
They are disbelievers.
But they disbelieve, not are. They disbelieve or they will disbelieve. Be with ayatillahi. Ayatillahi,
Signs of Allah.
signs of Allah. So can you combine now? That is
That is
because. Here be can be because. That is because that they.
they were.
Here kanu yakfuruna. You have to make this.
They had been disbelieving in the signs of Allah.
Yeah. So combine it again. That is.
That is because they had been disbelieving in the signs of Allah.
Excellent. That is because that they had been disbelieving in the signs of Allah. So that is the correct translation. If they were, then if you cannot make sense here, na? Okay. If you literally translate kanu there. Okay. Next is sa and mudare combination. Sa means very soon. It is used for near future. Mustaqbil, qareeb. Near future, very soon. Sa. And the other one is saufa plus mudare. Saufa plus mudare is a little far future. It means soon. Mustaqbil, something is going to happen. If sa comes, it means it's going to happen very soon. If saufa comes, it means it would happen, but it's not very soon, but soon. Okay, that's the difference between sa and saufa. Okay. So فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ هُوَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. Hassan.
So
Sa
very soon,
ta'lamuna.
you all know
You will know. Man
who
huwa
he
fi
in
dalal,
astray,
stray or misguidance or error. Mubin,
clear.
So can you combine?
Very soon.
So yeah.
Very soon you will know who is in clear misguidance.
Who is in clear misguidance. So very soon you will know who is in clear misguidance. Another thing is when sa or saufa comes, so madare becomes future actually. It doesn't remain present because now it is going to represent future things that's going to happen in future. So you cannot translate very soon they are knowing. Okay, so it would be very soon they will know. It is in future. So similarly, the example of saufa is saufa becomes مستقبل بعيد, far future, soon. وسوف يؤتي الله وسوف يؤتي الله المؤمنين أجرا عظيما. منال و
And
سوف سوف سوف
soon.
soon. Sofa means soon, and sa means very soon. That is the difference. Soon, yu'ti, ata yu'ti. Ata yu'ti, he
gives.
he gives. Yu'ti, he gives. Or he will give, because sofa is used here. Allah,
Allah,
al-mu'minina,
the believers,
ajran,
reward,
aziman,
great,
ajran aziman,
great reward.
great reward. What is this ajran aziman?
Sifa Masuf.
Sifa masuf. Very good. How you will translate now?
And soon Allah will give the believers great reward.
Great reward. And soon Allah will give the believers a great reward. Okay. So this is the sofa and sa combination. Sa means very soon. Sofa, soon. So that is a slight difference in it. And make sure when you translate it in future, not present. Next combination is law plus la. Law plus la combination. When this combination comes, you can make a combination of had, would have. Had, would have combination. وَلَوْ آمَنَ أَهْلُ الْكِتَابِ لَكَانَ خَيْرًا لَهُمْ. Hassan?
And
Low means if. Yeah. Low means if. La means for sure. So, but when they come in combination, we would have to use this had and would have combination. But when we do the word by word, we can say low if. Amana,
he believed,
we believe. Ahlu
people,
al-kitabi.
the book,
Ahlul kitabi,
people of the book,
people of the book. What is this?
da,
La
for sure,
kana
he was
khayran
better
lahum,
for them,
for them. So how you will now combine?
and had the people of the book believed,
Mhm.
for sure,
It would have
it
been.
would have been better for them.
It would have been better for them. And had the people of book believed, it would have been better for them. Okay, so kana should be like would have. Okay, next combination is in plus illa or ma plus illa. In means if. Okay, and illa means except. And similarly, ma means not, illa means except. So when these combinations come, we can say in not and illa but. Not but combination can be used to translate. Okay, not plus but. In the case of in plus illa or ma plus illa. So the example is لَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا سِحْرٌ مُبِينٌ. لا منال?
Sure,
For sure. قال,
he said,
الَّذِينَ
those who
كَفَرُوا
they disbelieved.
in means not or if. Here it would be not because illa is coming after. Haza,
That
this. Haza, this. Zalika is that. Haza is this. Illa,
that
sihrun, magic. Mubin. Here, Mubin is coming here. فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ هُوَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. Mubin is clear error, clear misguidance. Sihrun Mubin,
clear
clear
magic.
Clear magic. What is this clear? Sihrun Mubin?
Sifa Masuf.
Sifa Masif, like Dalal and Mubin. It matches in all the four properties. Understand? So can you now combine?
And
For sure.
For sure they said.
Allazina kafaru. Allazina kafaru is the
For
outsider.
sure, those who believed, they
Disbelieve.
those who disbelieved, they said.
No, we will not say this. Those who disbelieved said, not they said. Because those who disbelieved is the outside doer. Now there is no they there, no? Left. Combine it again. For sure.
For sure, those who disbelieved, they said.
Again they said. For sure, those who disbelieved said, In haza illa sihr mubin. It is haza, in haza. It is not but a clear magic. It is not but a clear magic. Okay. So these combinations you should know. Otherwise, translation would be difficult. So then the combination is ma plus b or Laysa plus b. This we already know. Ma plus b becomes not at all. Okay. Similarly, Laysa plus b also becomes not at all. But ma plus b is more stronger negation. Okay. Than Laysa plus b. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. Hasan wa
And
ma
not
Allah
Allah
be
with
ghafilin unaware. Ghafil is unaware. Amma about what? Ta'malun
you know
you have
or
amil
you do.
you all do. So ma and when you try to make word by word and not Allah with the ghafil, okay, it doesn't make sense. Ma here is the ma plus b combination. So can you now combine?
And Allah is not at all unaware about what you all do.
Excellent. And Allah is not at all unaware about what you all do. Next is Laysa plus B. قُلْ لَسْتُ عَلَيْكُمْ بِوَكِيلٍ. Kul say lastu, laysa, laysu, lasta, lastum, lastu, lasna. So lastu means I am not. Alaykum, upon you. Hasan. Alaykum.
Upon you all
Be
with
wakil, lawyer. Lawyer. So can you combine now?
say I am not
At
at
all.
all upon you all a lawyer.
Lawyer. Say I am not at all upon you a lawyer. Okay, next is a combination ma plus kana plus li. Ma kana li combination is also used for a strong negation. You can say never for a strong negation. So the example is ma kanu liyu'minu illa an yasha Allah. Ma kana li is used. Ma kanu li. Kana can be other forms. Kana, kanu, kunta. So these combinations. Ma kanu liyu'minu illa an yasha Allah. Ma means Hasan.
Not
Kanu
they were
li
for
yu'minu
they believe
illa
except
an
that
yasha
he wills
Allah.
Allah.
Okay, now combine it.
Never they believe.
They are never going to believe. They
They
are
are never going to believe
Except
except that Allah willed
Allah wills.
wills.
Yasha. They are never going to believe except that Allah wills. So these are the different combinations. They also come in Quran many times. We should know that how we will translate when these combination comes. Okay. Let's stop today's lesson. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.